and happy Labor Day. I'm out here in the garden about to get things ready for fall planting because it's Labor Day, and what better time to get these things done. I'm just going to clear out some of the last plants, veggies from the summer, and then we will have some dirt brought in here so that I can top off the beds and some compost on top of that. So let me just show you guys what I'm going to be doing and get started. But first I want to show you this. How cool. Watch. This is my eggplant, and for the longest time all I had was some pretty purple flowers and a whole bunch of white flies, and now I got lots of little baby eggplant. Can you see that? Lots of baby eggplants coming on. So I'm really excited about that. I have two of these plants. Each one is in a pot. There's another one coming on. And hopefully they'll do great things. I didn't plant a lot of eggplants simply because my family doesn't love them nearly as much as I do. So moving on to what we're going to be doing in the garden today. I'm going to be taking out my tomato plants because I think they're done and I need to get prepped for fall planting. So bug, I don't know what that was. Anyway, need to get prepped for fall planting, so I have to take out my tomato plants. And I think that's the last that I have to take out. Everything else I've pretty much cleared out. And then I need to plan. I like to do companion planting and I like to rotate my crops. So I'm out here planting those things. So let's just get into it. You can see I pulled up two of my tomato plants. This other one on this side, I actually am gonna leave this one for a while because I started pulling off, I don't know if you can see way over here. Oh, hello butterfly. I started pulling off the last of the green tomatoes because they will continue to ripen in the house. And then I realized that there are still flowers. This one is still flowering. So that's pretty important. So all I did was I just came out here and kind of did this espalier kind of thing with it along the fence. And I'm just going to leave it for a little while and see what it does. I'm okay with this. The only problem is that it's going to make me have to rethink things a little bit in terms of the fall garden because this bed is for greens. And if I don't get that out of here soon, you know, I won't have room to plant my greens. This is the watermelon, the baby watermelon plant. It's an icebox watermelon, and it's just sprawling. I don't really have room in here to plant my greens. Soon the okra will come out, and I'll have a little bit more space over there. But I already have black-eyed peas down in there. Excuse my my shadow, but I already have black-eyed peas down in there. So I'll have a little bit of space on that side, but I really wanted to have greens going down in rows this time, as opposed to the modified square foot planting that I normally do. And then on this, and the reason I'm putting greens over here is because I'm practicing crop rotation, and I'm also, hello butterfly, and I'm also practicing companion planting. So that's why I need to have my greens on this side. And on this side, I am going to have all my brassicas, whereas I had greens over here before. So I may have to rethink that, like I said, because those tomato plants are staying in for a little while longer. As long as they'll produce, I'm going to keep them over there. So stay tuned, you guys. Oh, and one other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. People always think that it's really expensive to start a garden. I started this garden for next to nothing. My biggest expense was getting quality soil in here. So the garden was built with lumber that I reused from a different project. We tore out our deck and we reused a lot of that lumber back here to build these beds. Let's see, you can kind of see the wood down here. And then I used brick that was left over from when the home was built to just kind of create more of a finished edge that goes with the house. So that didn't cost us anything. It was $0. Even if you bought these things, or I wouldn't even buy them. I would say try to salvage what you can. Some of these bricks came from neighbors, and some of the dirt was dirt that we reused again from other parts, other projects around the house. But normally now we go and purchase dirt from a dirt yard as opposed to a big box store in bags. We purchase about a yard of garden soil and about a yard of compost and combine it with our compost that we have here at the house. And that may cost us about $45. And I do it once, sometimes twice a year when the soil level gets really low. But that's pretty much it. My seeds, I save, I buy once. They last forever if you keep them nice and cool. I used to keep mine in the refrigerator. And now I keep them in my ladies' lounge, tucked back behind the closet where there's no sunlight can get to them. And the seeds will last you a good long time. And then once you plant once, you save your seeds again for the following season. So that's how I do it, and that saves me lots of money, and my family can eat off of that for season after season after season for as long as I actually take care of it. So anyway, that's my garden update for today. Again, happy Labor Day, you guys, and enjoy the rest of your week. Till next time. Bye.